Hi guys, remember Cats and Dogs 1 to 3 box set. Free film collection. It's PG. There's side. There's about 3 thoroughtly fun and positively action-packed adventures for the whole family. Pictures. The your description of the films. Cats is on for 83 minutes. Cats: The Revenge of Kitty Galore is on for 79 minutes. Cats and Dogs Paws United is on for 81 minutes. It's PG, mild bad language, comic violence, very mild, rude humor, scary scenes. Parental guidance, gym, something maybe unsuitable for children. At the top it says Cats and Dogs Free Film Collection. At the bottom it's Cats and Dogs. It's a PG. There's a side. There's a back's PG, mild language and moderate comic violence. It's disc. Here's Cats: The Revenge of Kitty Galore. It's you. Side. Back. It's you, mild slapstick violence, scary scenes, language and toilet humour. The disc. Here's Cats and Dogs Paws United. It's you. Side. Back. It's you, rude humour, very mild bad language. The disc. I guess I'm watching this one next. Bye.